mean, y'all know what I'm working with, so, you know, let's not act surprised. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by ISEE Hair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Now, before I show you guys how I installed this half wig, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Like I said, this unit comes to us from ISEE Hair. All the specs for my unit as well as the products that I'm using in this video will be listed down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Today's wig is a kinky curly half wig. It does come with 3 combs across the front, the comb in the back, as well as the adjustable straps, a drawstring, as well as a wear go elastic band. Let me put mine back in. I did wash my wig. The curls are pretty nice. I'm not sure how it will blend with my texture though, but you know, we gonna find out together. You already saw the future, so hopefully I worked it out. I'm gonna loosen my band up here. I'm gonna try to show y'all a couple different styles. So the first one I wanna do is like just a simple flip over. So let me spray my hair down real quick. Okay, wrap this down. Here we go. Now I need to get some hair out of my front. Let's do about this much, I think. Maybe a little bit right here. Just a smidge. Because the flip over is going to go this way, so that should work. Now, even though I have the drawstring and the elastic band, I don't know if I actually need those, but I'm going to use them both for now. You can't be upset at double security, so you know. Get this around. Ooh, those combs, hold up, and fold that back up because I am not using those, child. I mean, you be doing the removable combs. I think you should add that to this option because you know, not everybody likes the combs. I'm everybody, but obviously we're gonna leave them for right now because the way they're stitched in there, there's no way for me to get them out. The hair does come already flipped back over the front track, so it's literally just smoothing this hair out and blending it. So I'm gonna take some of my water first, spray this all. Oh, wait a minute. This is why I don't do my makeup first, because I'll be making a mess. Then I'm gonna use some gel. Normally I would use my Eco Styler gel, but I don't have any more of that. Like so, just like that. I don't know if I can blend this, hold up. Brush down some of the hair like this. Obviously my texture is not the same as this wig, and I don't wanna put a lot of product on my hair. So I'm gonna do this, pin it back, like that, and then bring it over. And then over here, pin it back, and bring it over. Use a drawstring to tighten this down. If you got a big head, you can tighten it snug. Let me fluff it out a little bit. Make it look a little bit more lived in. Can't find my pick. Son, were you in my room again? I'm gonna use my wide tooth comb and back comb the hair to kind of liven it up some so it's not so stringy for the look that I'm going for. Back combing the wig like this will cause it to tangle, but I will say during my co-wash I had very little tangling and very little shedding. I only had like about a quarter size amount of shedding, which was very surprising for this texture. I want the bush. Give me the bush. I wish there was a little bit more layers in this wig.
What?
Just to give it a little bit more, you know, like shape. But you can always cut it if you want. Use my Toppik and fill some of this in right here, just so it's not so thin looking. I mean, y'all know what I'm working with, so, you know, let's not act surprised. Let me get a little bit of my edge control. Can I even use this anymore? That bad boy is old. If I wanted to come over like a bang, kind of like this, I can definitely do that. You can also pop a headband on if you want. Do I have one? Ooh, like so. And do that. Do like a little middle situation. Still looks good. And don't worry if you don't have edges, you can bring your band down. Y'all see it without the band, and it lays pretty flat. The wig is right here. Y'all see how flat that is? And y'all know how thin my hair is, so that's saying something. Just get it right how you want it. Fluff it up some more. Cute. Now I'm gonna do the style that I want to do. First I need to straighten out my front here. I know my hair is thin. Most of my hair loss is in the middle of my head, but I got a straight line right there. Y'all see that line? It's not as crooked as it usually is. Getting some hairs in there. But I'm gonna take my blow dryer brush on low, and I'm going to straighten out this. And now I'm gonna put some cornrows in the front. Take a little grease. Grease the scalp. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of my gel. Put it on the front and towards the end of the hair. And then I'm just gonna cornrow it back. And then I don't need to cornrow it all the way down. I'm just taking it and then I'll twist it. Twist and shout, twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, baby now. Put some edge control on my edges. Load those down. All right, so there's that. Before I go any further, I need to put some rubber bands on my ends. Wrap it down, just to make sure it's not gonna unravel. I'm gonna use some of the hair from my wig to add to my hair. So I'm gonna cut some of the hair out the back. Don't take it off from the same section because then it'll be bald. Now, if you already have human hair that you can use, if you don't wanna cut your wig, then obviously go ahead and do that. You can even use synthetic hair, but I wanted to just use what I had available. I have about that much hair. Not too much. I probably won't even need that much. I'm gonna put on my wig grip. I missed you, sis. Put it right there. Bring that back. Come on, get behind me. Tuck down my cap in the back. I need to wrap my edges down because they sticking up, but I don't have a scarf right here, right now. Right here, right now. What song is that? I'm gonna take off the band just because I can use this wig with the drawstring and I don't gotta worry about that. I'm gonna leave the straps on in the back though, sitting right on top of that wig grip. Tighten down the drawstring. Let me clip this hair back because I'm gonna add some pieces in my front. A little bit of the hair that I cut off, I'm gonna add that to my braid. Like that, and then over, like that. Gonna add some mousse to it. Curl it up like so. Keep it going, keep it going. Here we go. Put some mousse on there. I think I'm gonna do one right there. Bring it through. Fluff the hair out. I think I'm gonna take this one right here. Let's see, I think it'll stretch. It will. Put some mousse on it. Like so. Then I'm just gonna plait it. Not too tight. Pull it apart. Do the same thing, braid it up. Wind up, wind up, wind up, wind up. Do, 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 do. Now I'm gonna put this one going this way. Bobby pin it in place. Take the other one, go over here, this way, and bobby pin that. I can get it on there. There we go. Fluff it up, make sure it's how I want it. And then we will be done. I am ready for the warmer months. Unwrap me. Okay, y'all, so here's the final look. I like it. I like it a lot. I am very pleased with the end result of this install. I did say this wig didn't have any layers, so I will walk back that statement. It's a little bit shorter in the front to give you a little bit more volume around the top, and then how I backcombed the unit, it definitely gave it a little bit more, you know, shape up in here. I have no complaints about this wig whatsoever. You pretty much choose how you want to rock the unit. You can try to wear it as a full wig, meaning none of your natural hair is showing. Just flip down that part in the front and then put on your headband right over top of that, and so have the hair kind of like down like this, you know what I'm saying? And then the headband be here. You get it? If I had to choose between a half wig, a V part, or a U part, I'm choosing a half wig. Not only because of this right here, but also because there's no tension on my scalp. I don't have to worry about clipping anything into my hair. Y'all already see my hair is thin, so I don't want to put extra tension on my scalp. And when I wear a V part or a U part, I have to do that. Even with the bobby pins, after a while, they will start to pull at your hair. So this, with the drawstring, I'll take it. My edges aren't hanging on for dear life. I'm I'm here for it. I like how I blended that too. Yeah, that's cute. That's cute. What else do I like? That price point. That's what it is. My wig with my coupon is $117. They also have a pay in 4. Listen, don't call that man yet, okay? $35? Yeah. Mine is 180% density. However, they also have the 250. 180 is enough for me. So in conclusion, that is 4 payments, 3 ways to pay, 2 wig options in 1 look. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to ISEE Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.